In this guide, I'll show you to turn off developer options on a Samsung phone. Developer options is a special menu that gives access to advanced settings such as USB debugging, animation controls, and other tools mainly intended for developers. If you enabled it previously and no longer need it, you can easily disable it in just a few steps. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung device. You can find the Settings icon in your app drawer or swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon in the notification panel. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. You should see developer options listed near the bottom, usually just below About Phone. Tap on it to open the developer options menu. Once you're inside, look at the top of the screen. You'll see a switch that indicates whether developer options is currently enabled. If the switch is turned on, tap it once to disable the feature. The toggle should immediately change to the off position, indicating that developer options has been turned off. After disabling it, press the back button to return to the main settings menu. You'll notice that the developer options section has disappeared from the list. This is completely normal and confirms that the feature has been successfully disabled and hidden from view. Turning off developer options won't delete any files, apps, or personal data on your phone. It simply disables access to advanced system settings that most users don't need on a daily basis. This can help prevent accidental changes to important device settings. That's it. Developer options is now turned off and hidden from settings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more helpful Samsung tips.